Ha'aheo mākou ka halau ke hui me oko ke ia la ma ke ia wahi la'ahia o ka hale ali'i o Iolani e nā kūpuna, nā makua, nā kamali'i. Aloha nui mai kākou. Our next number, we honor the grandfather of Queen Kapi'olani. Queen Kapi'olani, for whom this palace was built by her husband Kalakaua in the early 1880s. Kapi'olani was a granddaughter of Kaumuali'i. He himself was a daughter of the sacred Queen of Molokai, Kamakahelei, and also the mighty warrior Ka'eo Kulani from the island of Maui, son of Kahekili. And so we honor at this time Kaumuali'i, and this mele mai ka'i kaua'i hemolele I kamalie.
Hei moa no Kaumuali'i.